Good evening, everybody. I'm Chris and I'm here today to talk about how to make your ex or Mr. X miss you a lot. And this is the tip that I always do with my ex-boyfriends when we broke up, and I think that is quite very efficient for you. And well, to follow this tip, you need to no contact with him. Yeah, this is the rule. And then you need to no contact, no chat, no drama, something like that, for around at least 1 month, and then he will come back to you. Okay, first of all, you need to give him less attention. You it's like you don't care him anymore. Even in your mind, you think that yeah, you still care with him, and yeah, give him less attention mean that you should ignore him, and even he texts you, you need to reply him as slow as you can. Number two, when get in touch with him, don't say everything about yourself. Keep it with yourself and be mystery. Be keep I mean that leave him guessing what happened with you, and he will miss you more. And the number three, when men broke up with you, they thought that it's like your life were destroyed, but actually not. You need to give the opposite impression. Say for example, he thought that you will you will listen or say song or yell at him or something like that. But but all you need to do is to do some exercise, to work out, to get in shape, to have a more happy life, do your amazing hobbies, and post on use social media. Use the power of social media to leave him wonder why you are still happy, something like this. As for example, you may organize the charity events, you may hang out with friends, you may have a new look, new style, something like that. And then if you keep doing this, he will miss you more, and he still wonder what happened with you, and he will get contact with you soon. So I think that is all from my side, and I hope you guys enjoy this video and hope you can use it very well. So what's about the next tip? So please subscribe, and I will share about relationship and love and advice, things like that. So have a nice day. Bye.